Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're putting together my famous Gouda burgers. Today I'm going to spice them up with a little jalapeno. We got this beautiful butcher box, 100% grass-fed, grass-finished ground beef. It's going to be beautiful. It's 85-15. We have the Worcestershire sauce, sticky sweet, stubs, garlic powder, minced garlic, ground ginger, Himalayan sea salt and pepper, Gouda. Here we go. First, we're going to go ahead and season this bad boy up. Pink Himalayan sea salt. Let's go. Fresh cracked black pepper. Yes. A little garlic powder. Okay. Not too much because we're actually going to also put in some minced garlic. Okay, that's been in olive oil. I like that for this recipe. It's a little ginger, a little ground ginger. Oh yeah. Okay. And here with this minced garlic. Like that. Heaping spoon. There it is. Shut her down. Your minced red onion. Straight in. Over here, little Worcestershire sauce. Get that on there. That Worcestershire. Oh yeah, get that bad boy in there real nice. The stub sticky sweet. Okay. And now you get your hands in it. Okay. Gonna mix all that together really good. This is an 85-15 mix. Let's make some beautiful burgers right on the grill. Some nice brioche buns. And combine all this together. We're gonna melt down that beautiful Gouda cheese, fresh sliced. Just bought the block. If you can get it pre-sliced, but I'm gonna tell you, try it on the block. It's a game changer. Just try getting a wedge of it, slice it yourself, more rustic. Don't worry about things being perfectly sliced because when that Gouda melts, it'll be everything you want it to be. Okay, just get your hands on it and mix it together really well. All right. All right, there we have it. Our beautiful patties, all good to go. Some fresh sliced red onion to go with it once we get there. To top it off, we're gonna melt that Gouda down. We're gonna fire up this grill. We'll be right back. Get my hands on these things and down on this grill nice and pretty. Yes. Laying them just like that, our beautiful burgers, so that we have this other hot side of the grill when we go to flip them. We're going to do one flip, that's the secret. Come back, shut this bad boy down. Okay, reset here a little bit. Okay, be right back. Let's take a look at how we're doing. Oh yeah, babe. Use that, you can start on a nice hot grill, things like 500 degrees when you put it on. That nice sear on the outside. It's more like 400 now. Reducing the heat. That heat's going to continue to come down a little bit. Okay? Everything's cooking anyway. Boom. Let's go ahead and drop it down. If you did these kind of burgers, if you're working at a restaurant, a lot of times they're not doing anything too fancy, just so you know. They're just working with good quality beef. That Angus beef. They do about half-pound patties. Drop it on the grill. Sea salt, black pepper. That's it. Flip it again, same thing. That's it. And bring it out to you. This is totally different, but just so you know, a good burger is all about the meat. So if you start out with high quality meat or the best that you can find, the result is going to be that much better. You don't need to do a whole lot to a burger. You guys know everybody loves burgers. Why do you think everybody loves burgers? Here we go. Let's see what's going to happen. Okay. Another one. See what we got. See how our progress is looking. Okay. A little bit longer. Anytime you're working with a new grill or using one that you're still getting used to, respect the equipment. It's okay. The wrong answer is not putting love into things. The right answer is it's respecting the things you're working on. Alright. Let's see what we have. Come on in here. Let's see. Let's look this up. Woo! That's that shot. Go on ahead and let's see. Beautiful Gouda cheese melting down on that. Okay. When you put barbecue sauce and Worcestershire sauce and all these other things in there, okay, it loosens up the burger a little bit. So we use that nice cheese to kind of get over the top and hold it all together. We're going to take these bad boys off right now. See what we got. Okay, turn up the heat on that, come right back to that, let that burn off. Beautiful brioche buns. Just like that. Yes. Okay. Come right over here. A little bit of lettuce. Fresh romaine. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. Just like that. That. A little bit of this fresh onion here. Just like that. Okay. I like to take a little bit of salt. Just go with the top. Pepper. Jalapenos. Some bad boys right on there. Tell you what, let's do this. Lift this up. Some bad boys right on there, just like that. What y'all think? Yes. Okay. Same thing on this one. A couple of these right here. These bad boys right in there, just like that. Just like that. Okay. Yes. Okay, beautiful burgers. Our brioche buns. Go ahead and top that off. All right, let's look at that right there. That beautiful, beautiful burger. And let's give it a taste test. Let's see. Have to take a second to enjoy it. Family, that's what dreams are made of. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I'm Chef Bravo. Respect and love.